Are you prepared to breach international law in order to get those flights off?
So look, if you're asking me, are there circumstances in which I will ignore Rule 39s, then the answer is clearly yes.
It's absolutely shocking, but that was the UK Prime Minister Rishi Sunak announcing at a press conference that he's willing to break international law by ignoring Rule 39 orders, which are issued by the European Court of Human Rights on an exceptional basis, where there is a real risk of serious and irreversible harm. The President of the European Court of Human Rights has responded today with this.
There is a clear legal obligation under the Convention for states to comply with Rule 39 measures. The legal basis for this is principally Article 34 of the Convention, the effective protection of the right to individual application, to which one could add, for the lawyers in the room or online, Articles 1, 19 and 32 of the Convention.
Well, it's clear from that statement the UK will be in breach of its international legal obligations if it refuses to comply with Rule 39 orders, which isn't surprising given the government's own legal advice states that failing to comply with Section 39 orders, used previously to stop deportation flights taking off before additional court hearings, would be a breach of international law. Remember, the government's Rwanda bill actually seeks to disapply human rights. Don't just take my word for it.
It disapplies relevant sections of the Human Rights Act.
And the Prime Minister actually says that with a sense of pride. It's absolutely shameful. And the simple fact is the Rwanda bill puts all our rights at risk, yours and mine. Because if this government can just snatch away basic human rights from any section of society whenever it pleases, and be in no doubt that's exactly what this bill does, then none of us has rights. Just privileges that can be taken by people in power whenever they want. Now, recognising that fact, Lib Dem peers have tabled a fatal motion to kill off the government's Rwanda bill and stop it from progressing through Parliament. It's backed by the Green Party peers, and if Labour join them, this government's shameful bill can be stopped in its tracks. Remember, this was not a Conservative manifesto commitment, so convention allows the Lords to reject it. So let's put party politics aside, stand together and do what we know is right.
There is now only one question. Will the opposition in the appointed House of Lords try and frustrate the will of the people?
Seriously? The government has no electoral mandate for this appalling legislation. So exactly how is it the will of the people? If the Prime Minister wants to make the claim it is, he should call a general election now.